Greetings from Mongoose OS. My name is Sergey, and in this video I'm going to show you Mongoose OS Smart Light, which is a reference implementation of the full IoT product. The source code of the components is available on GitHub, the link is below. It is released under the Apache 2.0 license, so you can reuse or modify it for your own commercial product. The GitHub repo has an extensive documentation of the architecture and the step-by-step usage guide. Now I am going to follow this guide, so this video could be used as a reference. Step 1. Get a hardware device. We simulate a real smart light with a development board. So you can use ESP32 Pico D kit or CC3220 Launchpad or STM32 IoT node. But I'm going to use ESP8266 node MCU. Step 2. Download and install MOS tool. I've already done that. Type MOS ---- help to make sure it's installed. Step 3. Clone the Smart Light repository. CD into it. Step 4. Install Docker Compose and start the backend on your workstation. CD backend, Docker Compose build, that builds the backend, and Docker Compose up, that starts the backend. In production scenario, you're going to start this on one of the cloud servers. Step 5. Connect your device to your workstation via the USB. I've already have it connected. Then build and flash the device. I start another terminal. CD Mongoose OS Smart Light firmware. MOS build ---- platform ESP8266. ---- local ---- verbose. Okay, it is built, and now we flash it. MOS flash. Done. Proceed to step 6. We register our new device on the management dashboard. First, let me open the management dashboard, port 8009, and the user password is admin. Okay. And issue this curl command to add new device to the dashboard. Change the workstation IP to 192.168. Okay, so we see that we have added a new device with the device ID and an access token. Now let's proceed to step number 7, which is a factory configuration of the new device. So first, we specify device ID, copy the device ID from here. Next, we save the device token. Copy the token from here. Configure management dashboard address 192.168.123. Configure ACLs to prevent end customer to change configuration fields we don't want them to change. And put all these settings into vendor configuration. And now reboot the box. Proceed to step 8. Pretend to ship that new device to a customer. A customer opens a web application, which is a progressive web app. Here I started the browser on my mobile phone and open my workstation IP, which is 123 on port 8008. We can see that there are no devices added. So I press Add Device and follow the instructions. The instruction says that I have to change my Wi-Fi network to Mongoose OS Smart Lite because a new device starts an access point. So I go to the mobile app settings and choose Mongoose OS Smart Lite Wi-Fi network, which is a passwordless network. Go back to the mobile app, set device name, which is by default set to kitchen light. Let me leave it like that. Click on set device name. Enter Wi-Fi credentials. Click on set device Wi-Fi. And here the instruction says to switch back to the home Wi-Fi. I go to the mobile app settings and switch back to the home Wi-Fi. Click on the Finish Registration button. Now we can see that our device is added to the mobile app. If anything goes wrong during this process, press the user button and hold it for more than 3 seconds. That will reset the device to the factory defaults. If I switch to the device management console, I can see that our new device is added and is online. And when we click on the on-off button, we can see how the device reacts by switching the LED on. If we expand the shadow on device management console, and when we click on the button again, we can see how the shadow changes. Thanks for watching.